and today it's from Meg Howard.
Let go, let God, from the Daily Word. Letting go opens the way for spiritual ideas. The language of letting go and letting God can be misleading. It can sound as if I am being asked to surrender control of my life to an external authority. However, the opposite is true. Letting go and letting God means surrendering my human identification and turning control over to my true divine nature. In truth, I am one with the allness of God as I let go of the need to figure out my life intellectually. My internal and eternal divine wisdom effortlessly guides my path. When I let go of the need for recognition or approval, feelings of love and self-worth fill me. I open the way for spiritual ideas to flow forth, to bless, inspire, and prosper me. As I continually commit my life to Spirit, I feel ever increasing satisfaction and peace.